Hey everyone! We're going to walk through creating expense items and attaching them to our transactions. First step, let's navigate to a transaction and make sure we are on the Expenses tab. First off, before we can add an expense, we need to create an expense item. Once we have our item or items, we can click Add Expense. Select the expense we want to add and then use the default values we set, or we can customize them. Next, we can view all of our expenses by navigating to the Expenses route under the Transactions navigation. We can see all of our expenses here. We can filter by year, quarter, or a custom date range. From here, we can then go to Manage our expense items, where we can edit, create, or delete them. If we delete an item and it has an expense already tied to it, we can opt to delete the attached expenses or reassign the expenses to another item. Another place we can see our expenses is via our Commissions table. We can toggle on or off the Expenses column and see how they calculate into each transaction. We can even choose to include the expense column in the data export if you'd like. And that wraps up expenses and expense items. Thanks for watching.